Hi, I'm Noah Weingarten. I'm a bankruptcy partner at Loeb Loeb. We're really excited to be at the conference this year in Dana Point. Loeb provides a lender-focused finance and bankruptcy group with a deep bench of all-stars that can provide advice from cradle to grave. There are three things that make us particularly unique in our space. The first is that we provide real relationship-driven advice. We like having clients who we can provide repeat advice to. And that's important because we want to learn what our clients' businesses are, which in turn allows us to provide efficient and business-oriented solutions that are not just an ivory tower. We also provide our second thing is that we provide really seamlessly integrated bankruptcy and finance teams. And that helps our clients because we can integrate the second thing is that we have integrated bankruptcy and finance teams. And that's important because we can harness our collective all-star bench to provide great front-end work on the credit agreements and loan agreements, where we have the finance team doing the deal documents, and we have the bankruptcy team in the background providing advice on potential bankruptcy risks and pitfalls, as well as under lender liability defenses and things to help avoid that. The third thing that is unique about Loeb is that we can handle everything in one place within the same team, whether that is the front end loan documents, that's the back end workout or bankruptcy advice, or if it's the lender litigation that happens from time to time. We know our lender clients have both offensive collection claims that need to be brought, whether it's a breach of a loan agreement or it's a breach of a guarantee, or whether they're in a defensive posture where they're being sued for lender liability. We can handle it all within the same team. And that allows us to provide efficient business and legal solutions to our clients. The classic issue in my world of bankruptcy and insolvency is that workouts and bankruptcies come to us too late in the process when a borrower is potentially in a death spiral and our solutions and options are fairly limited. And so the big issue that we see is that the big issue that we see is that a loan comes to us too late. And that can happen when a borrower is low on working capital. You see the collateral for the loans either in jeopardy or it's underwater, or there's just a fundamental breakdown in the relationship between the lender and borrower, and there's a lack of trust. And so the key for me is getting in as early as possible before all these things happen so that I can help provide maximal options, whether it's a workout or it is a liquidation, and help my bank clients get out as full as possible. The reason it's important to detect early workout problems is to prevent a borrower from potentially going into a death spiral where they can't recover and eventually end up in a bankruptcy where a lender loses control. And so to that end, we help the bank identify red flags when it might not be so easy to detect because we've seen them so often. And to that end, we see in different types of loans, whether it's an ABL loan or a real estate loan, what are the real signs that a loan is in distress as opposed to a footfall. And so that in an ABL situation, that could involve a borrower stretching the time on the payment of ARs. It could involve reporting issues. It could involve tightening liquidity in general. In a real estate loan, those red flags could be issues with the borrower getting insurance on the property, or issues collecting rent. While these things may be indicative of a footfall or a more troubled loan, we are able to assess each case based on our deep experience and advise a client whether there's a real loan here. That early detection is absolutely key for a lender to stay in control and potentially work out the loan. We're really excited to meet everybody and really share our wealth of experience and to really share with them, that we are a relationship-driven firm. We want to earn your business. We want to earn your repeat matters for you. We want to show you that we can combine smart and strong legal arguments with business-oriented solutions. We want to show you that we will roll out the red carpet for you. We are going to treat your matter very importantly. It will be important to us. You will see efficient staffing, and you will see very smart lawyers who are highly responsive to your requests. If you'd like more information about Loeb, you can visit our website at loeb.com. We'll be at the Bankers Forum in 2 weeks, and we look forward to seeing you there.